If your landscape lighting is not working, it may be because of a damaged wire or a faulty circuit. Fortunately, fixing this problem is not as difficult as it sounds. You can easily repair landscape lighting wires, even if they are buried. Here are some tips to repair landscape lighting wires. You should first check to see if the light is working, and then take action. It may take some time to locate the wire, so be patient. To start, unplug your landscape lighting's transformer and flip the power switch to off. Using a pair of wire cutters, cut the wire to a length just a few inches deep. Once you have the wire exposed, use the wire cutters to cut it and strip the insulation. You may need to cut off the loose ends. Once you have done that, reconnect it to the wiring. After reconnecting the wire, you should check if there's power in the circuit and turn it back on. The first step is to check if the landscape lighting fixtures are encased in silicone caulk. These can be corroded by moisture and should be replaced if necessary. Make sure the connections to the transformer are tight and corrosion-free. Then, check individual fixtures for power to ensure that everything is still working. If you're not sure, consult a professional. Then, follow the instructions in this article and you'll be on your way to having a beautiful landscape lighting system. Another way to identify if you need to repair your landscape lighting wires is to dismantle the light fixtures. You can use a voltmeter to check for problems with the wiring or transformer. If you find any signs of damage, consider upgrading to LED lights. Aside from boosting your landscape's aesthetic value, landscape lighting can also be a safety feature. If you're looking to install landscape lighting in your home, make sure you understand how to repair the wiring before you do anything. The main component of your landscape lighting system is the transformer. If any problem arises with the transformer, the entire system will be affected. The issue could be a loose connection inside the transformer. It happens over time. To fix this problem, simply loosen the screw or nut on the transformer terminal block. The screw can be tightened with a screwdriver. You can then tighten the screw, and the lights should be working properly again. A proper landscape lighting system can last for years, but if it has a broken wire, it's time to consider replacing the entire system. After all, these systems are costly to replace. Fortunately, there are easy ways to repair landscape lighting wires and fixtures. So, what should you do if your lights don't work? Here are some tips to make sure that your system is functioning properly.